Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva Cooking. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you dishes that I will be preparing for my Christmas morning. I love to prepare dishes that I can make ahead of time and then just plop it in the oven and it cooks while we open presents. This is also an open collab that I'm hosting, so there will be a playlist linked down below, so make sure you check it out. So let's get started. So for this first recipe, I am making a croissant chocolate chip bake, chocolate croissant breakfast bake, and you will need something to grease your pan with. So I am just using coconut oil. You can also use pan or just any other oil. Then you need 10 to 13 of these mini croissants, 2 cups of milk, 4 eggs, 2 packages of cream cheese, 2 cups of chocolate chips, as well as 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And I will have the recipe linked down below so that way you can see it, what you need. So the first thing that you do is you will grease up your, get your pan ready, grease it up, oil it, spray it. Whenever I use sweet stuff, whenever I do sweet stuff, I like to do coconut oil instead of olive oil or any other type of oil. So now, or butter. Now this is ready, and I'm going to take my croissants and break them up. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, like I mentioned, my name is Sonia, and this is my cooking channel. I also have 2 other channels, a home decor channel as well as a DIY channel. So if any of those type of things interest you, make sure you head on over and check those out. They will be linked in the description box.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new.
So this is ready. I'm going to be setting it aside and getting the rest of the stuff ready. So this dish needs to go in the refrigerator for 20 minutes or overnight before you cook it.
Everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up.
Mix it up. Going to pour it over. So now I'm going to cover it with some aluminum foil, and it's going to go in the fridge for about 20 minutes or overnight. I'm placing this into the oven for about 40 minutes at 350. For my next dish, you will need half a cup of milk, 1 onion, a package of sausage or bacon. I am using bacon. A package of hash browns, so about 20 ounces. About 3/4 of this cheese block, so you will need about 250 grams of this. And then 7 eggs and some salt and pepper. The first step is to get your bacon and onion prepared, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to slice up my bacon and fry it up, and then I'm gonna fry up the onion in the bacon grease.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yes,
I'm using my cast iron pan, and it's well seasoned, so it doesn't need too much oil. So the bacon is done. I am going to take it out and set it aside.
of everything but you. These are the good times with you, baby.
I'm going to add my onion into the grease.
And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love.
So the onion is done.
These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
So I already broke my eggs into my bowl. I'm just going to whisk them.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Now I'm going to add my onion and bacon. Full bag of hash browns. Some salt and pepper, and once again I will have the recipe linked down below. Gonna add my milk, and you want to leave about half a cup of cheese for finishing, but the rest goes in. Mix it up, and I already grease up my stone. I use olive oil for that. You can use any oil, Pam, whatever you wish.
Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
And you want to preheat this oven for 350, and that's the same goes for the other dish, so that way you can cook them both at the same time. Put this into the oven and cook it for 35 minutes. And then I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna top it with cheese and cook it for 8 more. So I'm going to add my cheese now and cook it for another 10 minutes or so. So here is the hash brown casserole, bacon hash brown casserole. And the croissant, chocolate croissant, bake. And I like to serve with a little bit of meat if anybody wants, and some cheese. So I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you consider subscribing, pressing the notification bell, and also don't forget to check out the playlist, which will be linked down below. So until next time, hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.